Hey folks, welcome back to Creators Network's YouTube channel. Here's why you should be using the hysteresis function in your noise gate. Whether you use Reaper's Regate or Dynamic Split, or any other noise gate in Pro Tools or Adobe Audition, hysteresis is an often overlooked but powerful tool for voice acting. Unfortunately, Audacity's noise gate does not have this function. Sorry, Audacity users. Hysteresis can be used to replace the hold function on your noise gate. Setting a hold can leave time for quieter ends of words below the value you set in the gate threshold to stay in the recording. This is great for words that end in soft consonants like M, for example, them. It's also great for hard consonants that you might not say loud enough, like K or T, especially if you're low on breath at the end of a long sentence. However, this also means that the beginning of breaths can start making their way in before the gate closes, causing your breath to cut out suddenly, creating what is called gate slam. Here is how hysteresis can fix this. First of all, what is hysteresis? Simply said, hysteresis allows you to set a different value for when your gate closes than when it opens. For example, if you have your gate set to -40 decibels, that is the loudness your voice needs to be to open the gate. And if the sound drops below that loudness, the gate will close and not let any sound through. However, if you set your hysteresis to -6 decibels, your gate will open at -40 decibels, but close at -46 decibels. So, why is this good? Well, those words that end in M or soft Ks will still go through, since they will likely still be above -46 decibels. This also allows you to set your hold to 0, since your gate is staying open long enough to catch the ends of those words. However, since breaths always have silence right before them, because switching from exhaling to inhaling cannot be instant, so there will always be a small window of silence before you can breathe in, this will make sure the gate is closed before you breathe in, but not before finishing your word. How to start using hysteresis. With all things related to audio processing, different voices and different recording setups mean different values are needed in your FX chain. Experiment with the hysteresis setting in your noise gate or dynamic split settings. I recommend starting at around -6 decibels and go from there. Turn it up and down and listen for the right value for your recordings. Remember, your most powerful tool in making sure your audio sounds good is your ears. If you're an aspiring voice actor and you're looking to join a community of like-minded and helpful people, you should join the Creators Network Discord channel in the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today.